This is July 2004 and we've come back to Zimbabwe to see our relatives.
A lot has changed and a lot is the same since we were here 5 years ago.
The first and most important stop of our journey was to visit Makrawimba. This is the village where our mother grew up. My granddad Dennis and my granny Pelagia still live here.
The biggest change is with the house. 5 years ago it was this big. Now Dennis has added an extra bedroom, so we have a place to stay when we visit.
And as you can see, the living room space is also bigger. This is Dennis's garden where he grows his vegetables, and in the corner is his well. Colm and I are going to collect some water from it now. This is my cousin Nixon, who is 12 years old. Both of his parents are living in Haran, so Nixon was left in charge of the homestead. Every day after school, Nixon has to take care of the garden and the animals.
Nixon keeps chickens, and every day he collects some eggs. Let's see if there are any eggs today.
This is the tomatoes, Lisa, and look, this is the little tomatoes. This is the onions. Look, they are hanging too big. the bees up in the tree. They are busy making honey. Nixon has a big garden full of potatoes and he has to water them every day. Recognize this? This is a large stick of sugar cane. What do you make sugar?
These are Nixon's banana trees, and as you can see, they are full of bananas.
Cattle and goats have to be brought home to the kraal after their day's grazing. Dennis has 8 mamba and each of them has a name. My favourite one is Manjuma. She has no horns, but my dad's favourite one is Bishop, the strongest one. The other ones are Marek, Nissan, Doctor, Future, Tough and Knowledge.
There's a lot of water here.
Today we are visiting our great-grandfather Shekede. We think he is over 100 years old.
It's 5 years since we've seen him, so we think he'll be happy to see us.
Jet.
Grade 8.
9?
And I look what no don't say it's a good.
Are you learning now?
Are you learning, Nora? Yeah. Hey, do you want to stay here with me? With Sekur.
Yeah. Food for Sekur.
Food for Sekur.
All right.
From the oldest member of the family, we move to the youngest. This is baby Patricia, my cousin. I love playing with her, teaching her Shona and how to count. Am I? Mommy? One. Mommy. Go, go. One of the big chores is washing clothes. There are no washing machines in the rural areas, so the women carry their clothes to the river for washing.
Much better with soap anyway. What are those guys just get the really clean? Huh? Hands kunaga kunoda kwani? Kugoja kunoda kwa. Kwa maiko mwana kunodzima moto. Mwana ngada kunoti vari kuiteko.
Yeah. Oh.
This whole area is flooded, but in the dry season, only a small stream remains.
live far from the nearest shop, you have to make do with what's available. The forest provides plants for your every need. This plant, for example, is called mutoquira, otherwise known as African toothpaste. When you chew it, your teeth become very yellow, and then you brush your teeth, and they become white.
This plant is called gava cava. It is used to treat wounds. You break a piece off and rub it on your wound.
The yellow sticky substance seals the wound.
This plant is called zimunga. It's used for treating people with constipation. I'll leave it to your own imagination to guess where the leaf is put.
There are also a lot of fruits in the forest. Behind me is the mozanze tree. And over there is a mutunduru.
This tree is full of matamba fruit. It may look like a large lemon, but the outside skin is very hard.
This plant behind me is called mufa ndich muka. It means you look dead but you awake. If you take a branch and put it in water, it will turn green overnight.
12 hours later and the plant is completely green. One of the main sources of protein in the diet in Zimbabwe is groundnuts, or peanuts as we know them. To prepare them, they are first shelled and winnowed. Then they are roasted over an open fire.
I'm pounding the peanuts to make peanut butter.
Finally, the peanuts are squished with a stone to make delicious peanut butter, but it's hard to keep out the tiny ants.